If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha everybody, happy Sunday. We have exciting news. Well, actually, you know what? All of my book signings have been canceled, so I have a garage filled with books.
Yes.
You want to win the books, you share these YouTube videos with your friends on social media, you tag me and your family, you tag me, and you could win. We're giving away a lot of books, so make sure to enter that. But today we're making Big Mac Casserole. Kai, we got to move the books out of the way so we can show everybody how to make it. So, oh my gosh, they're so heavy. So heavy. So Big Mac Casserole. Do you know what a Big Mac is?
No.
You don't know what McDonald's is, do you? So we are going to make Big Mac Casserole. What you need is a pound of ground beef, and we have our Butcher Box beef. And we're going to start sauteing that up, because that's what we first need to ground up. Kai, do you like to ground the beef?
No.
No? I thought you did. You want to crack the eggs, don't you? So I'm going to ground the beef, and Kai is going to be cracking the eggs. But we need more than 4. We need 8 eggs. So 1 pound of ground beef. And this is an induction oven. A lot of people on YouTube was saying, where do I get one of those stoves? It's really nice for camping. I use it all the time. So Kai, we need 4 more eggs. I got you 4 more, my friend. Okay. Oh, that's a big shell. All right. And when you ground it, you want some garlic. 1 or 2 cloves, depends on how garlicky you want it. And about a 4th, double yolk. It's a good luck day. It's a good luck day. I love it. About a 1/4 of a cup of onions, and then we need some Redmond real salt. We're gonna put 1½ teaspoons into this, okay? And then I'm gonna save the rest for the eggs. That goes right on in there. So we're gonna brown the beef. Remember last time we browned the beef? We did jumping jacks. Whoa! That went right on Mommy's leg. I'm actually really cold because I just got done with a long run outside and it rained, didn't it? But I never give up. Never give up. So this is gonna be browned. Maybe we can fast forward some of this. Ah. Oh no, is it kind of frozen? It's all right. It'll work. I always take out ground beef the night before so I can make hamburgers. Hammer time. How many you got in there? 6? We need 8 of them. Did you get all of them in there?
Yes.
All right, sounds good. So into the egg mixture, we're gonna put some mayo. So we have 2 tablespoons of mayo, and we like our Primal Kitchen mayo. And we're gonna add some cheese, about 3/4 cup of cheese. If you want more, you can do more. And then you want some mustard, yellow mustard. Kai, you wanna grab a stir spoon?
Yeah.
And, oh, that's for the sauce. We're making a special sauce. So like, what am I missing? I'm just using this right now. Here we go. You can use this. There we go. And this is going to saute. So maybe we'll just fast forward a little bit on the video, huh? You want your oven on to 350 because it's going to go into a greased pan, like a lasagna pan. And you're going to bake that for 25 minutes. Oh man, why did this unplug? Oh, here we go. Technical difficulties. Here we go. I love that you don't know what a Big Mac is, my friend. But we're going to make the special sauce. So while this is browning, I'll show you how to make the special sauce. I'll go over here. And in a dish, I have a 1/4 of a cup of our mayo. And I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of pure tomato sauce. It's just tomato puree that I showed you. And Kai, I'm going to move this off to the side, okay? And I am going to, can you toss that away? Thank you. I have dill pickles, okay? And I'm going to chop my dill pickles. I have a really cute food chopper. Hey Kai, can you grab that food chopper that's down there? Yeah, the one that goes like that. Thank you, my friend. Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
I figured you would. So hit it real hard. Chop, 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 chop. I love your hat. Your fedora. All right. So this is pretty much, this doesn't have to be totally like not pink because it's going to bake in the oven too. All right, so it's almost all the way cooked through. Oh, are those small? All right, that's perfect size. Can you put this in the dishwasher or the sink? So these chopped dill pickles are going to go right into our sauce, our special sauce mixture. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And I'm going to add stevia glycerite. You could use Swerve if you want to. This is a non-bitter type of stevia. I absolutely love it. And maybe about a teaspoon, maybe not, half a teaspoon. And fish sauce. If you're like, what, fish sauce? I get this. I only use Red Boat because a lot of fish sauces have sugar. Yes. But this Red Boat does not. And it gives your food a special umami flavor. So I'm going to add, I don't know, you can do 1/4 of a teaspoon. Don't smell it. It smells terrible, but it makes things taste delicious. And this is going to be the topping for your casserole. But let's get back to the casserole part. I am going to put all of the ground beef into the egg mixture. And what I love about Butcher Box beef is it's organic and not a lot of fat comes off of it. Like sometimes when I use other brands, I have to drain it. And I just love that it's one less step that I don't have to do. So I'm just going to mix this all up. And then I'm going to pour it into my casserole dish. All right. So I don't have that long of arms. Here we go. Pour it on in. There we go. And you could top it with more cheese if you want to. You could make this dairy-free and not put any cheese in it. But this is going to go in the oven for 25 minutes, and we'll catch you back in a little bit.
Yay. Awesome. This looks really nice.
Nice job.
Maybe in your food.
All right, so Kai is stirring up our Big Mac sauce, our special sauce. I have some sesame seeds to top it with. And we have a cheese waffle, a truffle going on because we were doing that too. So let's check this out. All right, Kai, here we go. Can you close that up? And here is our Big Mac casserole. It is so delicious. Nope, just wait. We're gonna sprinkle it with sesame seeds. And then let this cool for about 15 minutes.
And then you can put sauce on it.
Yeah, slice it up and serve it with the special sauce. And you know what you really could do? What? Serve it on top of a truffle. The Big Mac truffle. Ooh, maybe we'll have to do that, huh? Yeah. Put a hamburger in between it. But anyway, check it out. Look at that. Looks good, doesn't it? Check it out. That's our Big Mac casserole. Yeah. And we hope that you have a great day, everybody.
Yeah.
Mahalo.
Mahalo.
In this recipe for Big Mac casserole, which is absolutely delicious, I use Primal Kitchen mayo and ketchup. And the cool thing is, if you use code Maria20, you get 20% off your order. And I highly suggest checking out all of these things. I no longer have to spend the time making my own mayo. I can go outside and enjoy the summer. And even salad dressings. I used to make all of my own salad dressings. I would never use anybody else's. But now I love Primal Kitchen, and I'll just put some of this into like a Ziploc and bring it to the restaurant with me. But they even have marinara sauce. Kai loves their ketchup. You would just drink that, wouldn't you? And it's different. There's no sugar in it whatsoever, so you won't get the sugar high. It's pure tomatoey goodness, and all of them are absolutely delicious. They have ranch, they have Italian dressing, they have barbecue sauce, you name it. I love their garlic mayo. I'm going to do a video making my homemade ranch dressing with their garlic mayo. Super simple. But anyway, get that discount, 20% off.
Sharing is caring. Share this video with your